Hi friends, welcome back. And today we are going to discussing about our last topic, that is a delete call. Okay, I'm going to using directly. It depends on that. Okay, the token one only. You can create for before suit and try. Okay, in case if you are facing any issue, I'll explain you the theory. Okay, then you can based upon that you can try. In case if you are not able to crack that one, then you can mention in the comment on this particular video. Then I will make you for entire on single video end to end how you can able to do creating the access token, then creating the one uh, any booking ID, and then you need to go for updating, and also you are going to use for get call and then delete call. How you can able to use that, all the things we can discuss after you maybe if you crack that particular information, then no issue. In case if you are not able to do that, mention and I'll do for one video for that. Okay, these are the things not required. I'm deleting this, and set data also not required. We'll delete. Okay, and here it is basically a token. Okay, here you can see, right? If you go for delete, delete is only the request, and then we need to use for access token. These are the two things you have to use, and then the response is become a 201. Okay, it's not a 200, it's a 201. Okay, we are saving, and token also presented. Okay, and here one only we are deleting. Okay, apart from that we are not using. This is right now I'm doing for hard coding the value. In real time we should not do for hard coding. Okay, that you have to remember that hard code we should not do that. As a automation engineer you should not do it. Okay, then we need to use for here, sorry, where it is, dot a delete. Okay, method is delete. Now if you hit this particular one, now you can see it is generated token and also succeed and created. Two not one and created. Okay, like this we can able to do it. Delete is easy than anyone, but only one thing you have to remember: when you are going the hard coding, it is easy. When you are going to create a parameterization, that is a big difficulty when you want to call a depends on method or without depends on method, how you can able to solve the issue. Okay, that is a big question. Okay, how you can able to achieve, you need to see that. Okay, and I'm going to give that one kind of homework type. Okay, how you have to do, right? First, create token globally first, and then create booking ID. Once you create the booking ID, get call, use the get call. Okay, creating the booking ID by using the post call. Okay, post call, and here get the call, and here we need to verify request body and JSON get response body. Okay, request body of post, request body of post, and get response body need to compare. Okay, both need to be compared, and then use the put call, use the put call, and here take the booking ID, take booking ID, and change username and yeah, first name and last name. Okay, change change first and last names. Okay, then use for delete call, delete delete record, and verify 201 status. Okay, this is your work. Okay, once you try this particular format, Okay. If you are able to achieve, then fine. If you are not able to achieve, please make a note on my particular video. Then I will try to hit you that. Okay. Thank you for watching and please do subscribe and share to your friends and colleagues. Thank you.